Hi guys, today we will talk about how to fix or how to solve the problem of black screen. On the application of Chase app, you will go to settings. Here on this page you will go to apps, default apps, app settings. In this list we click on Chase. Then we'll go to first stop and you will click OK. Here you will enter to the window of storage. Then we click on clear cache. Then you can turn on your airplane mode. And you can turn off your airplane mode again to fix that problem. So please don't forget to support us by like and subscribe. See you next time and thank you for your